Miss KPH 2023 Kantung be nalitum asigete pen alang litum pan ning peche ponduta alang litum lo piningkan Miss KPH 2023 ke judge ponje bang tu bang pitum lo
Contestant number 1 from Taralangso. Thank you.
Kardon Taralangso. I am Anika Charonpi, contestant number 2 from Selonisan number. Thank you.
Contestant number 3 from Dalamara Bachapur. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am your contestant number 4, Anjona in TV from Koilamadi, East Karbi Riso.